Okay, I'm going to do a review on the 30 centimeter Meteor tube lights slash Meteor rain lights that I installed in my house. You can see it right there. It has a very smooth dripping motion. I had to buy 10 sets to cover about a 75-foot area. I bought 10 sets. I still have one extra. What you see there is 9 sets. Each set covers roughly 8 feet of space. So if you want to cover 80 feet, then you need 10 sets, for example. So anyways, they look really nice, and they're really smooth of the motion. I've seen versions of these lights called like icicle lights or something like that at Home Depot and Walmart and stuff, and they're not anything smooth. The motion is not as smooth as these. They're actually really bright too. I didn't think they were going to be that bright because they have a brighter version of these, and these are actually pretty bright. You can see I have a street light right in front of my house, and they still stand out pretty good. You see my entire house there, the whole front side. I got one more. I might buy some more next year to put on the trees. They look really good on trees. Perhaps you've seen these lights like in downtown areas and plazas and stuff. They usually hang them on trees, and they look really good on trees, but they also look really good on my house. Anyways, so that's it. Again, these are them 30 centimeters. They come in 50 centimeter also, which are, the tubes are longer. The wire is kind of flimsy. It's kind of cheap, but the price is also cheap compared to what you would pay here in the States. So I guess if you just take really good care of them, it shouldn't be an issue. And these you cannot connect one after the other like in sequential order like you can do those Christmas lights. Right here I have 9 sets, so I needed 9 plugs. Fortunately, I got creative and I was able to kind of make 3 of these strands meet in one area. So I had a 1 to 3 splitter cord in one location only. So I got 3 of those, and that covered for my 9 sets. Like I said, they're 8 feet long, but if you put them upright, you can get all 3 plugs. You can get 3 plugs for 3 sets together in one focused area. So you just need a 3-way plug. So from 1 to 10, I would give these a 9 for looks. And I'm the only house in the neighborhood that has these. Nobody else has these because they don't sell them here in the States. Well, they do, maybe through Amazon, but eventually they're all coming from China. So that's it. Okay, and here is a close-up view of them. They're each 30 centimeters, like I said, which is in US is about a foot long. 50 centimeter version of these are about almost 2 feet long. At first, they're all in sync, but eventually they get out of sync, which is actually good. They look better when they're out of sync like this. It just looks like water dripping. That's how smooth it is, the motion.